Kabila.
I was 16, met you out in Ohio. You were only 15, living life by the mile. We laid under the stars, fell asleep in your backyard. You said you could fly, but you never need to, 'cause with us you never try too hard. And you never will. On a lonely night you will see you're everything to me. You got everything. On a lonely night, oh, the truth is every night is lonely without you. Every night is lonely without you. To Ohio.
What's up, Jeff? Dito po kami ngayon sa Chowking, sa food trip. Food trip, kaming dalawa lang. Wala kaming kasama. Matamad po sila. Magkala na po sila. Wala na po silang time para sa pagtampok. Oo nga. Yung mga tao dyan na hindi nasama. Alam mo po yun. Inom. Ayoko. Masasamit ako. Init. Ulam natin. Wala pa. Butag na po ako. Hintay po namin ang order namin number 78. Tama ba? 17. Oh. Step. Itong babaeng ito, nag-i-ingay. Ano, nakabidyo yata yun. Okay, babay na po. Babay.